How do I replace the pull cord on my Generac XP8000E generator?
Hi, my name is Welcome to Just Answer. Being you have the top off, the way to install a new rope is to remove the old rope, then wind the top by hand as the spring puts tension on it, wind it up, then line the hole the rope comes out of and the hole in the spool up, then put the rope in the top and into the spool, pull the rope through the spool and tie your knot, hold the rope and the spring will retract, pulling the rope in. I will try to find a video to send you. Our chat has ended, but you can still continue to ask me questions here until you are satisfied with your answer. Come back to this page to view our conversation and any other new information. What happens now? Or, you can reply to me using the box below. How to install a starter rope on a Honda recoil, http://u2.b/ogcdrncnwg. This is a Honda recoil, but it's the SAE technique. Hi, were you able to get the rope installed?
In the process of taking the wheel off to replace the rope, springs flew everywhere. I could not get the assembly back together. I, sorta, gave up after several tries.
There should have been 8 of 4 bolts to remove the actual top, but the spring shouldn't have came out unless the center part owes the underside was taken off.
You have to take the center part off to replace the rope. Is this assembly holding the rope available for purchase? I could just buy another housing assembly and bolt it back to the motor.
Here are 2 videos to help how to rewind starter recoil spring cassette. http://u2.b/zpn0889a7e An easy way to fix a pull start recoil spring. http://u2.b/d4r8bxc. Yes, I'm sure they sell the replaceable top. I'm not sure of the price, but I can check for you. I found one for a decent price on eBay new. http://www.ebay.com/im/like/2516532774001 if it equals 82.
Thanks. I think I will take the eBay route. I have watched the 2 videos and they are very helpful, but the mechanism is binding, and that is probably why the rope broke. Thank you very much for your help.
Okay, I'm sorry that it can't be fixed. Those springs can be a pain. I even looked in my shop to see if I had one I could send you cheaper, and I only have one top for a deck engine. I'm not sure they are the same. If you need any other help or have any questions, please don't hesitate to ask. John.
Please do not apologize. I know from personal experience that we do not always have an answer. I did learn something in this process, LOL. I have ordered 2 of the units because I have 2 of these generators. You have been a great help and I appreciate your constant conversation with me to make sure that the problem was remedied. As far as I am concerned, you solved my problem. Thank you again.
No problem. I try my best to make sure my customer is happy in the end.
If you have a home improvement or appliance question and want to chat with an expert now, visit justanswer.com/ythi.